We are with the Health Science Club,
Hello.
and I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay. What can you tell me about the involvement that you guys do on campus?
We try to do 2 events a month. One is usually service related, so volunteering opportunities or things like that, since a lot of our students need those to go on to put on their resume. And then the other event that we try to do is a meeting, so it might be like professional development. The meeting we have coming up is explaining to students how to use Degree Audit, and some upperclassmen will give some advice on things that students should be working on as freshmen all the way up through when they apply. We do some fundraising for different organizations on occasion, and some social kind of fun events as well. We have a trick-or-treat event coming up at the Children's Museum we're going to help with, and so mostly service and kind of professional development events.
So, like different volunteer work, such as?
We have a group of students who volunteer to help with the Heart Chase event coming up in the middle of September. We have quite a few students who are helping with the Race for the Cure. So a lot of the events are kind of health related. Some are mostly just community service, doesn't have to be medically related. We have a handful of students who do adopt a grandparent, so they go and volunteer at a nursing home an hour or 2 a week, which is really cool. So we try to cover a pretty wide range of events that students might like to do. So.
Okay. How would joining Health Science Club benefit for pre-health people?
It would benefit. Obviously, it's a resume builder, so it's something for you to list, under activities. But we hope that students join, hoping to get bigger things than that out of it. So chances, like I said, to get involved in volunteer activities, chances to get to know their upperclassmen in the programs you're already in, and chances to hear speakers from admissions committees and really kind of learn all the things that you need to do to be successful for applying to professional school.
Okay. And how can we get leadership positions through this organization?
Good question. A lot of times students will come to us with events they want to do, and so that gives you a chance to kind of spearhead that event. Last year we had a young lady who wanted to have a team for the MS walk, and so we approached the club, and she kind of was in charge of that. So kind of in terms of a community service leader. Or we also have 4 officers that are elected in January of each year, and so students can run through those positions as well, and they kind of spearhead most of the planning and organizing events. So.
Okay. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.